Let us see a very interesting question from exercise 8.1 of trigonometric ratios from the chapter trigonometry. This is first question. Here question is, in triangle ABC, right angle at angle B and AB is 24 centimeter and BC is 7 centimeter, then we have to determine first question sinA and cosA, and second part of this question we have to find sinC and cosC. So for finding sine, cos, tan, all these trigonometric ratios, here in sine is perpendicular by hypotenuse, and hypotenuse is the longest side in a right angle triangle, which is not given here. So first of all, what we should do? First of all, we have to find out hypotenuse AC. Okay, with respect to this angle A, this is perpendicular, the side opposite to the angle being considered, this opposite side is perpendicular, adjacent side is base, and the longest side is hypotenuse. So first of all, here we will try to find out AC, that will be H here. So let us see the solution. First, see what is given. In triangle ABC, which is right angle triangle, here given that AB is equal to 24 centimeter and BC is equal to 7 centimeter. So let us find out AC. With Pythagoras theorem, AC is square root of AB square plus BC square. This is equal to square root of 24 square plus 7 square. This is equal to square root of 576 plus 49. And here AC is 576 plus 49 is equal to how much? 625. And square root of 625 is 25. So we are getting here AC is equal to 25 centimeter. Okay. Now let us see first part of this question. Here we have to find out sine A. And we know with respect to this angle A, BC is BC is perpendicular and AC is hypotenuse. So you know that sine is P by H, perpendicular by hypotenuse. So with respect to this angle A, perpendicular is BC, and hypotenuse is the longest side, which will remain same always. Here AC, and BC is given how much? 7 centimeter divided by AC is how much? You got it? 25 centimeter. So sine A is equal to 7 by 25. This is just a ratio, so we will not write unit here. Simply we will write 7 by 25. This is the value of sine A. Answer. Correct? Now let us find out cos A. Cos A. You know cos A is B by H, and with respect to this angle A, we know base is AB. This is AB and hypotenuse is AC. And AB is how much? 24 and AC is 25. So this is the value of cos A. This is the answer for cos A. Now let us see second part. Here we have to find out sin C and cos C. So sin C, that is always P by H, but in this case, we know with respect to this angle C, P will be perpendicular, will be opposite side AB. So this is AB by hypotenuse is AC, and AB is how much? AB is 24 and AC is 25. This is the value of sin C. Okay. Now let us find out cos C. Cos is always B by H, but with respect to this angle C, BC is the base. So this is BC and hypotenuse is AC. And BC is how much? This is 7 and AC is 25. So cos C is equal to 7 by 25. This is the answer. Very interesting. Very simple, but question is very important. So hope you have understood it, and we will see some more important questions in other videos to come. So remain in touch and hope you have subscribed it. If not, please subscribe this channel. I need your cooperation and your likes are most welcome. All the best.